英国 Harry 王子控告英国小报的发行商假报集团，这年来讲因非法收集资料。那伦敦的法院昨昏开始连续3天开始开庭 ，Harry 王子冇亲身出庭，这嘛创下英国王室的头一例。
真侪媒体守伫咧伦敦高等法院外口，要等英国哈利王子出现，因为哈利告英国小报发行商镜报报业集团 MGN 自1991年到2011年之间，用电话偷听甲其他非法的手段，包括请私家侦探等方式非法收集资讯。哈利王子出庭作证，将会创英国王室自19世纪末以来第一位出庭作证的成员。
These kind of cases are often a case of mutually assured destruction. To be quite honest, I don't think anyone will get out looking great, which is why so many people try to avoid being there in the first place.
Win or lose, he wants to embarrass both the media and certain members of the royal family and the royal household through these legal actions.
法官讲，已经有通知哈利爱伫咧8月出庭，对哈利无来也真意外。哈利别讲，伊这世人拢是生活伫咧互媒体入的痛苦加愤怒之下，并且甲伊的老母戴安娜王妃的死，拢怪这是英国媒体私了甲入侵，一寡种族歧视的文章，造成伊甲伊的牵手梅根2020年去美国生活，并且退出王室。
It will be interesting whether the palace and the way in which they have dealt with the media in the past, and certainly Harry would say that the palace have fed the press, that they've fed and planted stories.
哈利甲超过100人集体告 MGN 用工业规模实施非法的手段获取有关因的资讯。MGN 承认有证据显示，私家侦探受到指示非法收集哈利等3个人的资讯，并且对此道歉，严格否认其他的指控。公司新闻陈伟林编写。